Hello, it's Elliot from Kent Estate Agencies, and today we're in Herne Bay taking a look at a fantastic second floor retirement apartment here in Brian Roberts' house on Beach Street. Now, this one bedroom apartment offers you a really nice amount of space, of course in the convenience of that retirement setting. Now, coming straight through into the main entrance hallway there on the left hand side, you can see that we've got those really convenient storage cupboards, and coming through now again on the left, you've got this fantastic shower room which has been adapted. Now, shower itself really good size, and of course you've got the loo and the sink unit there on the right. Coming through again on the right hand side, we have here the main bedroom for the property. Of course, wonderful double-sized room with plenty of space for wardrobes and the double bed. And coming through now into the front, where we've got a really nice amount of space here in the main living room and the kitchen area here, you can see all of that natural light flooding in through the windows there on the corner. So you do enjoy a really nice light and bright and sunny aspect with the property. Of course, the kitchen itself does come with a range of fitted appliances, and of course the plumbing there for the washing machine and the window on the right. I really do hope that you've enjoyed taking a look at the property with us today, and I'm sure you have plenty of questions for us, so please don't hesitate to give us a call in the office. And don't forget, if you like the way that we're presenting our properties in these video tours, why not give us a call today to book your own free valuation.